Okay, good morning. It's currently about 7:30 a.m. right now. I'm gonna go work out this morning and I'm gonna pick my outfit to go to the gym. My favorite part. This is the fit. You got Gymshark, you got Gymshark. I'm gonna take my pre-workout now and my creatine. Today's menu is Alani Nu's Hawaiian shaped ice. The only thing I'm not super fond about this outfit right now is a little side fat going on. They're not even really that tight on the waist. I just have a little bit of extra stomach fat, which I'm working on. But then again, I'm beautiful the way I am. So on today's errands, I'm gonna go to the gym this morning, and then I'm gonna head to the grocery store and then go to the vitamin shop because I need new protein powder. And then we're gonna prep my meals for my shifts tomorrow for the next 2 days. Okay, but there's this girl that goes to the gym pretty often that I've been meaning to say hi to. Either I chicken out or I just have, I made a promise actually to Phoenix that if I do see her that I'm gonna make the first move and say hi to her. Just because like we see each other all the time, why not be at least acquainted with each other? Like I know you go to the gym, you know I go to the gym. Like it'd be nice if we knew each other's names type thing, which usually I'm not that type of person that like wants to get to know people, but I don't know, something is changing. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm on my very last week of my programming, week 12, and we are maxing out this week. I think I'm maxing out on hip thrusts. My main goals are to like slim down a little bit, just a little bit more muscle definition, I guess is what I'm looking for. And then I still want to get stronger. And I know that's kind of difficult as far as like if I'm really wanting to get stronger, most people bulk and then they cut down. But I love the way my body looks right now. I know I just complain about my little like, you know, floof tops, but whatever. But no, I do. I love my body. And this is for like the first time in I've never loved my body up until like I probably hit my 21. This year, like especially because I've been working out so consistently, but God, I'm sure all of us, you know, used to hate our bodies at some point. Body dysmorphia is a real thing. And, you know, I had it all the way up until 21, but this year specifically I'm like really like appreciating and loving my body for all it can do, and I love how she looks too. Obviously I've been kind of working consistently for the past few months and I'm seeing these little changes, and it's making me really excited for the future and for, you know, just to continue pushing and to continue doing what I'm doing. As far as bulking goes, that's why I don't want to bulk at the moment, because for the first time I'm like kind of in love with my body. A staple to lifting is gum. I just want to talk about this Gymshark bag just for a second. How cute. When I ordered it, I thought it was a lot bigger. I thought it was a regular sized backpack. I didn't even read the label. It literally says mini in the name. Mini backpack. I do bring 2 bags to the gym. I'll show you what pretty much I can fit in here. My headphones, my notebook that I write my workouts in, those, band in there. This is my microphone that I'm wearing right now. I can fit that in there, throw that in there. And then I can fit little more things in this front pocket. Girl. It's so cute and perfect. I'm trying to be like Leanna Deeb. Can you tell? Can you tell? I just got this recently. This is my first time wearing a long sleeve from Gymshark and I love it. So I ordered 3 more. I'm telling myself this is like a mental health purchase because every time I wear them, I feel good, I look good, and it just makes me more motivated to go to the gym when I have new and cute clothes to wear. Anyways, I'm going to head to the vitamin shop now. I'm gonna get changed, shower and all that. Head to the vitamin shop, then I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's to do a little bit of grocery shopping. I head to work tomorrow, so I have to meal prep later today. Okay, so I just got back from the grocery store or Trader Joe's. As far as going in there today, I didn't really have a game plan. I mean, I did have a list, but it was kind of like a general list, not a specific meal that I was gonna make when I got back. I got a bunch of fruits, avocados, some chicken breasts, some chicken thighs, green onions and cilantro, turkey bacon for my Starbucks breakfast sandwich that I do, egg whites, some non-fat Greek yogurt, organic brown rice and quinoa pasta that's gluten-free. Along with it, I got this tomato basil marinara sauce, almond butter, our English muffins, beef. My husband literally only eats beef, so I got him like 3 things of beef. Lemon pepper seasoning, freshly cracked lemon pepper. Yeah, when I saw that, I was like, yes. Chili lime seasoning blend, onions, avocados, limes, lemons, Ascent whey protein in chocolate peanut butter. I also bought a pre-made salad thing at Trader Joe's, but I already ate it. So, kind of look jacked in this lighting, no? This is supposed to look like aesthetic looking fridge, but it's not. The only thing that's kind of aesthetic is the amount of egg whites there are. When I talk for too long, my voice hurts. Like legitimately my throat hurts when I talk for a little bit too long. I usually don't run into this problem because I don't talk that much. If you know me in person, you know I'm quiet. Found this recipe on Pinterest. Healthy chicken pasta salad with avocado, tomato, and basil. I got the water boiling right now. I'm gonna use this organic brown rice and quinoa pasta that's gluten-free. Onions, bro. You know what that means. And it's kind of hard to see in these because these kind of like are tinted darker. I think what I saw on a video once was they go boom boom boom, then boom boom boom, then boom boom boom. Oh my god, I really can't see in these. I need a flashlight. Okay, you know what, that's good enough because I'm gonna... Whatever. Now I'm gonna... Now I'm just gonna have these grape tomatoes. I'm gonna do a cup of this. Put it in this bowl. These are hurting now, so I'm gonna take them off. But I guarantee you my eyes will start watering here in the next few minutes. There's a cup of cherry tomatoes. thanks y'all so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed already, please feel free. I mean, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so that's fun. That's cool. And I hope you enjoyed this video. See y'all in the next one. Bye.